Lighting control by ISI Smart Homes. Here are 7 reasons why you should invest in an intelligent lighting solution. 1. Mood lighting. Set the scene. What is mood lighting? Well, how a room is lit can drastically affect its look and feel, and reflect the mood that the occupant feels most comfortable in at that time. Even installing a simple dimmer on a single pendant fitting can demonstrate this in its basic form. The light would be set to a high brightness setting for cleaning or trying to find something, a lower setting whilst entertaining to instill more ambience, and the lowest setting whilst sitting cosily in front of the fire watching TV. Typically though, rooms are now lit by more than just a pendant fitting and can consist of multiple downlighters, typically grouped into circuits, which we call zones, to provide general and feature coverage or highlight individual works of art. Table lamps are plugged into dedicated 5-amp wall sockets to form part of the system. Feature strip type lighting can be added around or within furniture. Even coloured lighting can be incorporated. How the brightness levels of individual groups of lighting are set will determine the look and feel of a room. Each set of brightness levels to create a mood is called a scene. Lighting control systems will enable multiple scenes to be stored and recalled at the touch of a button. 2. Ease of use. Total home control. With a lighting control system, the individual circuits are not directly wired to the light switch, but rather are wired back to a central panel that houses the dimming and switching equipment. The light switches are in fact button panels that are wired back to these central panels on a data cable and talk directly to the system's brain, which we call the processor. This means that each button on the light switch panel can control any circuit in any room of the house. This flexibility allows ISI Smart Homes to incorporate many programming features that will make the occupant's life easier. For example, a single button by the door or bedside can be programmed to turn off all of the lights inside the house for when you leave or go to bed. A different button by the front door can be programmed to turn on a welcome scene that illuminates a group of rooms upon entry to the premises. Buttons by the bedside can be programmed to turn on lights in the bathroom at a low level when you need to use them during the night, or turn off the light you left on in the ensuite without you having to get back out of bed. 3. Remote control. More than just a light switch. Control of your home is not limited to button panels on the wall. Your lighting can be controlled from handheld remotes, touchscreen tablets, smartphones, or even Alexa. In fact, with your smartphone, you can control your lighting from anywhere in the world where you have internet access. Additionally, ISI Smart Homes can program the system to carry out tasks automatically. This could be as simple as turning external lighting on and off at dusk and dawn, or predetermined times. It could be turning lights on and off in staircases, determined by sensing occupancy. It can be keeping a constant light level, determined by the amount of external light entering a room, or replaying your normal evening light usage to simulate occupancy whilst you're on vacation. 4. Energy saving. Return on your investment. As well as making your life easier, lighting control systems can offer tangible benefits in terms of energy usage and lamp longevity. In real terms, there is practically no discernible difference in running a lamp at 100% or 90% of its rated performance. However, setting the brightest level in the room at 90% will provide a reasonable energy saving and reduce energy bills. Dimming lamps instead of switching them is also kinder to them, and the lamp is less likely to fail by being brought up to its light level in a gentle dim rather than being turned on instantly. The above is true even with today's LED fittings. 5. Installation. Flexibility to adapt. ISI Smart Homes will design your lighting system in such a way that programmable operation and grouping can be reconfigured at any time right down to a fitting by fitting level. Decisions about how downlighters will be grouped into zones can be made and changed at any time. Additionally, the ISI Smarthomes approach to lighting system installation will save money on cabling and take up less space where the control panels are located. It doesn't need to be a whole home solution. Many customers have employed this technology in just one part of the home. Maybe you are just doing a kitchen family room extension and want to invest in current technology in this area, but the rest of the home is not being refurbished, or maybe that is phase 2 of the project and will not be done until a later date. No problem. ISI Smarthomes can provide a solution to meet your needs. 6. Compatibility. All LED lighting is not the same. LED lighting is the emerging technology for residential lighting. However, its path has not been a smooth one. Many people who have adopted LED lighting for their homes have been less than impressed, and there are good reasons for this. Reason A. Early LED lighting was very blue. We call this a cool colour temperature, and as a result the lighting effect was very harsh and clinical. Reason B. Many fittings just didn't dim with conventional dimmers, but would just flicker madly and turn off. C. Lighting that claimed to be dimmable really didn't do it well. The perceived light level would only change by about 10 to 20%, and often in a distinct step rather than smoothly. Turning the dimmer down to 20% would then make the light switch off, but it would need to be turned back to 80% before the light came back on. ISI Smarthomes recognised this issue, and so we searched out light fittings that we could be sure dimmed in a linear manner and could be supplied in warm white as well as cool white colours. The warm white range produces a light colour more akin to the standard halogen downlighter we have been used to for many years. In short, ISI Smarthomes are able to provide a complete end-to-end intelligent lighting solution for your home that fully works as intended. And finally, number 7, support. It doesn't always end when the installation is complete. ISI Smarthomes can provide ongoing support of the system so that when you need to make changes to lighting scenes or zone groupings, we are there to assist. We have been doing this now for over 20 years. Systems can also be adapted to incorporate new technology. For instance, we have revisited past installations to install Alexa voice control or replace halogen low voltage fittings with our compatible LED equivalents. Are you interested in finding out more about our intelligent lighting solutions? To discuss your project, big or small, call ISI Smarthomes now on 020 88 77 33 99.